Hey, Wealth Builders! It's Sir, back again for Young Wealth Builders. Today, we're going to talk about something super important for anyone who wants to be smart with their money. Budgeting. But don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Let's dive in. Okay, imagine you just got some money. Maybe from an allowance, a birthday gift, or even for doing chores. Before you run off to spend it all on candy or toys, let's learn how to budget that money so you can use it wisely. A budget is like a plan for your money. It helps you know where every coin should go. Here's a simple way to break it down using 3 categories: spend, save, and share. First up, spend. This is the money you can use for fun things you want right now, like a toy or a snack. But remember, you don't want to spend all your money in one go. Next is save. This money is for your goals, like something bigger you want to buy, or even just to have for the future. Saving up teaches patience and makes reaching big goals feel super rewarding. And finally, share. This part is for giving back. Maybe to help others, donate to a cause you care about, or even surprise a friend. Sharing what you have can feel really good. Here's an example. Let's say you have $10. You might decide to spend $4 on fun stuff, save $5 for a goal, and share $1. You can change the amounts based on what's important to you, but the idea is to have a plan. Budgeting helps you stay in control of your money. It's like being the boss of your own treasure chest. When you budget, you know where every dollar goes, and that makes building wealth even easier. Thanks for learning how to budget with me today. Remember, every smart wealth builder knows how to make a plan for their money. See you next time on Young Wealth Builders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep building that wealth. Bye for now.